Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try. We had a good thing going lately. Might not have always been a fairy tale, but you know and I know that they ain't real. I'll take the truth over the story. You might have tried my patience greatly, but I'm not about to let us fail. I'll be the wind picking up your sail. But won't you do something for me? Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Coming and going, inside out, back to front. Old and golden messy, but that's how we've been and we'll always be. And that's alright with me. Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Try, just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Lately, I find myself out gazing at stars, hearing guitars like someone in love. Sometimes things I do astound me, mostly whenever you're around me. Lately, I seem to walk as though I have wings, bump into things like someone in love. Each time I look at you, I tempers aglow, feeling like someone in love. Lately, I seem to walk as though I have wings, bump into things like someone in love. Each time I look at you, I tempers aglow, feeling like someone in love. Feeling like someone in love. Feeling like someone in love. tracksuits and red wine, movies for two. We'll take off our phones and we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. 'Cause you watch the TV while I'm watching you. There's not many people I'd honestly say I don't mind losing to. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. Dumb conversation, we lose track of time. Have I told you lately I'm grateful you're mine? We'll watch The Notebook for the 17th time. I'll say it's stupid, then you'll catch me crying. We're not making out on a boat in the rain, or in a house I painted blue. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. So shut all the windows and lock all the doors. We're not looking for no one, don't need nothing more. You'll bite my lip and I'll want you more, until we end up in a heap on the floor. You could be dancing on tabletops, wearing high heels, drinking until the world spins like a wheel. But tonight your apartment has so much of you. Who needs stars? We've got a roof. And there's nothing like doing nothing with you. No, there's nothing like doing nothing with you. The credits roll, you got the girl, the bad guy was defeated. As bad sounds plays, you drive into the sunset. The crowd applauds, you take about what happened that you dreamed it. You got everything you ever wanted. Cut the scene, it's 4:15. You're staring at the ceiling. It all feels out of your control. You push it down so no one knows. If you're always putting on a show, you lose yourself before you know. As easy love has come and easy go. So you wear the mask, you dry your eyes, you keep it all locked up inside. Upon your broken heart and sell your soul. And you tell yourself you must be strong, 'cause the show must go on.